Hi guys, it's another rainy day today, and it's Saturday. It's a Canadian Thanksgiving weekend this weekend. So first of all, I would like to say thank you for all your support to my channel, and that means a lot to me, so thank you very much for that. And today I just want to give you guys another update of my DIY koi pond. There's not much going on at this time, so there's not much activity. Everything is shut down except the aerator and the icer there. So as you can see, the leaves start to change color, and will be soon for this cherry tree. So I will be getting a lot of leaves falling into my pond, like you can see there. So I have to remove them on a day-to-day basis until all the leaves falling off from the tree. And just see the temperature of the water. Anyway, you can see the fish at the bottom of the pond there. They almost like stay still with little movement. Yeah, like they are hibernating. So they're gonna be like that for the whole winter. Yeah, let's see the temperature of the water right now. So it's 19 degrees. On the surface of the water. Let's check the water at the bottom of the pond. So we have 17 degrees at the bottom of the pond. Yeah. So my air pump is still running for the aerator. So this is gonna be running all winter long. Supposed to be for outdoor uses, but I keep it inside the shed. And there's no problem with it. It's been running for this year, gonna be the 3rd year already. And see my 3 barrels filter system is inactive right now. Yeah. Really quiet now. No activities going on. Yeah. Everything's removed. Another skim all the leaves off the pond. So I have this swimming pool skimmer net that works well to collecting the leaves like this. So remove all the leaves before they get decay and falling down to the bottom of the pond, causing more problem later on. This is a telescopic pole, so I can adjust it. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, string algae. Start to get some string algae too. It's not waterproof. Alright, as you can see, I removed most of the leaves of the pond already. Now I want to try to put my GoPro down into the water to get some video footage of the fish at the bottom there. This is going to be my first time putting my GoPro under the water in this pond. So we'll see. I'm gonna go get my gear. All right. I'm gonna try to submerge my camera down into the water to see the fish. I'm not sure it will be bright enough to see it or not, but we'll find out. Let's do it now. thanks for watching, and thank you for your support, and happy Canadian Thanksgiving. Bye for now.